So this is the work for problems number 8 through 10. We've gone over Dear Student. We've done our practice table. We have done the think out loud. We have done practice problems, and we have done 5 through 7. So now we're looking at 8 through 10. So when I look at this, there's no one place to start. So I can choose wherever I want to go. So me, I started at multiply by 6 and get 18. Well, I know 3 times 6 makes 18, so I know that's 3. When I look at this relationship, I know 25 is half of 50, or if you divide 50 by 2, you get 25. Okay. So I'm skipping around. Oh, okay. So multiply by 6. 7 times 6 is 42. Wow, that makes sense because if you add 8, you would get 50. Okay, so since this is divided by 2, 26 divided by 2 would be 13. Ooh, I have a number, so I can do this one. Divide by 3 would be 3. Alright, looks like I'm going to have to do some pictures to get this one. So, multiply by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add 8. So I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 8. Divide by 2. So everything's divided by 2. So instead of 6 buckets, I now have 3. Instead of 8 dots, I now have 4. Okay, I'm getting this. So I have 3 buckets here and 3 buckets here. The only difference is I don't have those 4 dots anymore. So if I took away dots, then that means I subtracted. Okay, I'm getting it. All right, so I have all my instructions. I might as well finish my picture. Divide by 3. Ooh, this time I don't have dots. I have a bucket. Ooh, so this time I don't have one number. I might have different numbers. So if you just saw this and assumed you could write 10, just scratch a line through it and we'll keep going. So right here, 25 subtract 4 would be 21. And if I divide that by 3, I should get, oh, let's go. So right here it says I end with a bucket. Well, right here I started with a bucket. So I should end with what I started with. End with what I started with. End with what I started with. So if this is 10, I'm taking a gamble. I'm taking a risk. I'm going to see if it works. So 10 multiplied by 6, 60. 60, add 8, 68. Divide by 2 is 34. Subtract 4 is 30. Divide by 3, let's go. If I was wrong, I would have just put a line through all these and put it right next to it. Sometimes I am wrong. So if I show you the wrong thing, please don't be upset. I'm figuring it out with you. And it's okay to be wrong. Just learn from your mistakes. I don't care if everything's perfect. I just want to see how you think. All right, so number 9, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 buckets and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. And I'm trying to figure out what goes in one dot. In one bucket, I mean. So I need something. Okay. So 30 plus 6 is 36. That's too many. Okay. So 28 plus 6 equals 30. Nope, that should be 34. Okay. Cool. So right here, these have to be 28. Well, 28 divided by 4. So 28 divided by 4 is 7. Let's go. So, number 10, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buckets in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus something makes 50. So I'm going to try to do what I did last time. It can't be 50 because that's our, well, let's see. So 50 plus 6 equals 56. So that's 6 too many. That's 6 too many. So that's 44 plus 6 equals, right? Let's go. So these have to equal 44. So 44 split evenly between 4 things. We're dividing, people. Divided by 11. So that's 4. Let's go. More than one way to do anything. Please try before you check these videos. Hopefully these help you think about how you think. And there's more than one way to think. So I've seen this a lot of different ways from a lot of different students, and I'm always impressed. Your way of thinking is valid. So if you have questions or we bump head or we disagree, please send me a note in Canvas and let's talk about it. All right, let's go, Truman.